Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to share a Netflix account with friends. If your friend lives with you or use Netflix in the same house, you can share by using profile. Here how it's works. One Netflix account has a multi-profile. Each person gets their own profile. Watch history and recommendations stay separate. This works best when everyone connects from the same home Wi-Fi, also called the Netflix household. If your friend does not live with you, the official way to share is by adding an extra member to this. Your plan must be standard or premium. You pay a small extra monthly fee. The extra member gets their own login, their own profile, one device at the time. Extra members do not count a part of your household, but this method follows Netflix rule. If your friends are traveling, Netflix may allow temporary access. Netflix might send a verification code by Gmail to confirm it. This is meant for short trip, not long term sharing. Sharing your login with your friend outside your household without extra member access can cause warning message, playback limit, account restriction. Netflix check location using Wi-Fi and device, not just password. For friend who lives elsewhere, the extra member option is the safe and easiest way to share Netflix without problem. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.